Imagine yourself in this Lexus 2014 ES300h hybrid luxury package with bamboo PRE collision system with adaptive cruise control, nav blind spot heated, and if you are looking for a first-class ride, you have found it. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are blind spot monitor with rear cross-traffic alert, hard disk drive navigation system with backup, high-intensity discharge, headlamps, luxury package with bamboo trim, heated and ventilated front seats, PRE collision system, PCS, one-touch power trunk, illuminated door sills, PIO, and Nebula Grey Pearl. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. This car won't be available much longer. Call now to schedule a test drive at our dealership.